Welcome home. Here we are. We are starting our cruise today. It is 10:30 and we are eating at West Grand Canyon Cafe. Are you feeling Megan? We are almost there. And it is 12:22. Welcome home. We just parked. We just handed off and look at what we see. They're watching the Goofy movie. Like honored. Oh my gosh. Megan, are you so excited? Ah! Mickey and Minnie. Okay, we just are getting ready to walk on.
Please welcome on Megan and Rachel.
Welcome home. We just got on. Welcome home. We just got on and now we're going to go hit up the toilet. Right there, perfect. And then do a door hanger, whatever that is. And then after, we will go to our room and set up our door. Megan, where are we? The bayou. We're at the bayou. The trip to the bayou. Welcome home. We just did our first craft in the bayou. Welcome home. We're going up to
the room,
which is
9500
9500. Welcome home. We just got in. We found out we have Tiana. What our queen. I'm so excited. Go ahead. Let's open up the bathroom. Oh my gosh. So nice. Oh my god. How do you feel seeing Lewis now? Every time.
Now I'm good.
Every time we're walking up, luckily the food is only 2 floors. I mean food, I mean bio is great. So you know where we're going. Oh, and now we got Ariel. Maybe it's Ariel too. Just got some drinks. Walking across. Where we just did general knowledge.
I said we don't know.
They were the worst, hardest questions I've ever heard of. Like the most randomest. We got 7, but like you know, and I'm proud of it.
20.
I thought we got 2, so I'm proud of us. All right, welcome home. We're gonna get ready to put on the door. Megan, I was speedy, and she just go ahead and open up the closets to show us what we're working with here. This is our shared closets, and I know by the looks of it you're probably confused, but yeah, we're only on a 5-day cruise. Yeah. Lovely. All right. We're currently at our mustard unit. It's raining out, so now we're in the main foyer.
And I know each and every one of you has a wish in your heart. Together, we can make even the biggest wishes come true. Like setting sail. Shall we see what our magic can do? Now, repeat after me. Wishes do come true. Ready? Wishes do come true.
The honor, please.
Oh, I'd love to. Will you all help me count down?
Sure will. Happy to.
Yeah, what fun.
37 out of 40. We got the ultimate winner. This place was full. Absolutely full. And we won. We won by like 2 points. Like, it was crazy. I'm pretty proud of us. We pulled that so far out of our cheeks. Like, there's no I didn't record earlier, but we have won another trivia, general knowledge. What time did we do? We did it at 6? Yeah, 6. And now we are here doing the theater. We are so far 2 for 2. We are 100%. And on that last one, we got 100%. We got 20 out of 20. So we are killing it. Thoughts, Megan? We're incredible. I'm more proud of this than I am of getting into college. Truly. I'm not even joking.
Well, I don't know how.
All right, Megan, where are we?
1923.
For Dindon. 1923. Megan's trying to be very positive. Welcome home. We just finished up another trivia. Looking out. We just finished up sidekicks. We got 18 out of 20, and yet we still won. So now we're up to 2 Donalds, or 2 Chippendales. Welcome home, Megan. What did we just do?
We just finished breakfast
Okay, and where are we?
at Castaway.
At Castaway. Here she looks. Looking quite good. Are you excited?
So excited.
What did you have for breakfast, since I forgot to vlog?
Sausage, turkey bacon, and hash browns.
Boom, baby. Oh boy. I had gluten-free Mickey waffles, not mini, because yesterday they gave you mini and it tastes like crap. But Mickey tasted good. And then my soggy eggs and turkey bacon. 10 out of 10, and now I got milk. Start of day 2. Welcome home. We're just getting off the ship. And where are we, Megan?
Castaway.
Castaway. Famous Mount Oyash. Come on, we're taking a picture. Get behind me. 1, 2, 3. All right, Megan, we are where?
Castaway.
We are on Castaway, and it is very, very empty for that huge of a ship. But here we are. I'm gonna go put my toes in the water. Megan will probably watch from a distance. But I think over there is like snorkeling, and then you can go all over yonder. And you know, I'm just not that bold yet. Maybe next trip, and I'll make my dad do it with me.
All right, then. Welcome home. We're chilling on Castaway. Coconuts.
What?
Huh?
It almost sounds like, why should I worry? Wait.
It's not.
All right, welcome home. Where are we, Maggie?
We're on the biking trail.
Going to where?
Going to the, I don't know what you want to call it, but a little high point where we can see
A little
the
lookout to see the island. As you can tell, it's hot, or else I wouldn't be walking around this website. So crash. But I am dripping. I did just splash some water on me, but you know, I didn't splash water on my arms or the shins that are dying. Anyways, yeah, some people are running the 5K, some people are biking. Me and Megan are just starting to walk. Megan's knees a little sore.
It's okay.
There I'd be triple cramped up on a Tuesday afternoon. So. All right, welcome home. We made it to the lookout. I would say better than Lookout Key because that abandoned lighthouse was something, even though we got an abandoned shack here. I think it's for the theming though, but We're in like a little tower thing, and then you can see this is the 18 plus Serenity Bay. We're currently walking the 5K just because, well, we are in our bathing suits and sandals. Triple chafed up. But we're doing so good, aren't we, Maggie?
We are.
Let's see, can I even get you in here? Should name him Frank.
Okay.
Hey, Frank.
I liked when he clicked.
And strawberry and banana twist. Welcome home. We just got ice cream. I took a bite and it's bringing me back to when I got like super sick on the drink. So I'm just gonna stick to just strawberry because the banana, it tastes good, but it's like, there I had too many, you know? All right, welcome home. We are wrapping up on Castaway Cay. Megan, how do you feel that I haven't mispronounced once?
I'm so proud.
Like, I've come a long way.
Yeah.
Can we just look at how blue and unreal the water is? It's crazy. But anyways, yeah, we're wrapping up here. Welcome home. So we're now at trivia. I forgot to vlog. We did do the Aqua Mouse. Megan, what would you give the Aqua Mouse out of 10?
7. I liked the storyline. I liked the seat. That's about it. I liked the aqueduct better.
I also like the aqueduct better. It wasn't really much of a ride. The ride itself was not good. I give it a 6 out of 10. I'll be honest, 6 out of 10. But it was still an experience that we had to have. Now we're at trivia level 2, and I really hope we will because we are playing on Welcome home. We just got another trivia. We got Pluto.
Yay!
So what a moment.
Disney parks.
Disney parks. Welcome home. We are now eating. We got some of the Mickey's goods to go, like fast food to go, and it's so good. How's your fries? Delicioso. We're still here at Castaway. Vacation Club member celebration. Welcome home. Welcome home.
I'm going to Texas. I might add that to my list. Where are you from?
I am Rachel and I'm from upstate New York.
New York! Look, okay.
Goofy?
Goofy. Is Goofy on the board? Goofy is on the board. Yes, to Goofy, but not to Minnie. What are we talking about? Okay.
I love me some Kronk, but I feel like people are not cultured enough.
I know, I love Kronk. His spinach puffs are delicious.
I'm gonna go with Tiana.
No, you're not. Try something else. I'm so helpful. Okay, we're going to a dinner party. Maybe you want someone who's very prim, proper.
Mary Poppins.
There we go. Okay. Is Mary Poppins on the board? Hopefully. Yes! Okay. At Team Toys. So, your wonderful, beautiful, incredible question is, name your favorite DVC pool.
I'm gonna go with Stormalong Bay.
Stormalong Bay. Okay, let's have a look. Is Stormalong Bay on the list? Yes. Top answer. Well, welcome home. Okay. Old Key West. Throwing it back. Back to the Old Key West. Is it on the list? Yes, it is. Okay.
Welcome home. We're going a little slow. We're on our way to the theater to go see the Little Mermaid. It's the live action one today.
How together we can change the world.
Yeah, now look, don't worry, kids. Pretty sweet, right?
Welcome home. This is our starter. Did you get bao buns?
We got the same. We got our little lantern right here.
Kind of sick, which I'm totally feeling right now. I mentioned I've never been on a cruise before.
Young lady, we have to work on your focus. Your focus.
Write down the name of the song, and for an extra point, the name of the artist. Okay?
Megan,
So
tell me
2
how you
points.
feel.
Okay, so we just finished 2000 trivia. And like, you did good.
Got 32 out of 40.
Yeah, which wasn't bad. But I think, because we've studied, but I think we've been studying more 2010s than 2000s. Because none of the songs we studied were on it.
Green Day wasn't on it.
Yeah, no.
Right. So we are really hoping tomorrow's 2010.
No Chris Brown. No
Rihanna.
No, I think that's more 2010s.
We should
Train?
We train.
Like, come on. I think we know 2010s.
No littles.
No.
Gwen Stefani was on there. I did.
But old Gwen Stefani. Escape?
So hopefully we will do better tomorrow. But now we are up on the top. We did the shed. There's the funnel. They are watching episode 5 of Star Wars, and I wanted to go down there and watch it, but like there's no ice cream, and we can't get our delivery beefs because it's too late. Whatever. So we decided to come up here and play games. So that's what we're doing right now. Alright, good morning, welcome home. We are now at Lookout Key. You can kind of see it over there. However, we're not going to get off the ship because we have a fun full day of work. And they're even watching Cinderella. Welcome home, so we arrived to Lookout Key. Got a first try. That is the treacherous walk you gotta take, but all worth it. And then you are at Lookout Key. Quite big, quite pretty.
And the team, finish this bottle phrase. You want
Alright, welcome home. We are now in Triton's Launch and we might actually get the win, Megan.
There's no one else here.
No one else is coming.
But we did just get a win.
We did. We just did. Let me just prop it up. We just did Cars trivia with our favorites girl. Like literally love her. Bianca from
And she loves us.
Yeah, I think she's a fan. We did Cars trivia and there's this family that like they studied. They studied as if we didn't, but like we don't know how to tell people that. That's embarrassing. Anyways, so we did that, and she just gave all three. Like we all got 20 out of 20 3 families. And then at the end of it was a tiebreaker. And it was what number is Miss Fritter? And I am an avid Miss Fritter lover. And I was thinking 52, but it was 58. And our friends, I thought said 68. And she's like, oh my gosh, you're cheating, the other family. Because I put 58. Because I knew it was 50. You know, Mikey has a toy in his stop sign. I can see it.
Yeah.
Anyways, so she ended up just giving everybody medals. But we got a mini. So we're doing really good. Yeah. So now we're at Cult. Disney Cult Cult Classics. Cult Classics. And apparently that's like Emperor's New Groove and all that stuff. So oh my gosh, we might lose so girl. So here we go. Alright, welcome home. We're now getting ready to eat. I got blueberry ice cream, but we didn't talk about our win for Disney Cult Trivia. There's a lot of Emperor's New Groove. We did have another family playing against us. They got 8 and we got 14 out of 20, so we're really proud of that. So yet again, another win and another medal. We're incredible. Alright, another trivia. We just did brain teasers. Megan did good. She got 14 out of 20. So proud. So proud. But dare I not be the best at brain teasers? Not at all. I didn't get a single one, I don't think. No. Yeah. Another side kick. So hopefully we can do good, but it's busy. Come. Welcome home. We are currently experiencing an earthquake. A typhoon is coming. Jokes, jokes, knock on metal. Knock on magnet. Hopefully nobody's next door. Oh. We're just backing up. We're just backing up. But yeah, Megan, what did we do?
We won.
Disney trivia.
Sidekicks again.
Side-
dare that just be our best one?
Sidekicks is this cruise is Pixar.
Yes.
Yeah, we are doing pretty darn
But we
good.
did get another Chippendale.
That's now we only have 2. We had 3. We have 3 Chippendales. So
Yeah.
luckily, our bestie Bianca
Yes.
is going to hopefully trade us out one.
Fingers crossed.
Pirate Daisy.
Hello, everyone. I set a course for fun. How about you?
Her I say, away, away, away we go. Away, 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 away,
I treasure we love the way it looks, we love the way it feels, and we love to shake our booty.
Alright, welcome home. We just came back. This is giving Davy Jones, in my opinion. He looks amazing. An absolute king he is. But more importantly, Megan, what did we just do?
We just won trivia.
We won Pirates
Pirate.
Trivia. Look at the shirt. With our new besties. They really helped us get through. One of them was a big fan of Pirates of the Caribbean to this day. So, thankfully for him, we were able to pull out a win. Yeah, we tied with 16 and we went into the final tiebreaker round. And together,
2 years.
together we figured it out. We won by 2 years. We had to be like, what year did Pirates of the Caribbean come out into the parks? And the other team said 1955, which is when the park opened. But I knew it was in the 70s, and he said 1978. And you know, we won. We won. It was close because the year was what, 1967? So we won. Barely. But we won. So anyways, it was a good win. Always here. Let's just give you like a little... Just a little 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, I mean, one of them is the medal from Castaway 5K, but the rest... Big shout out to our favorite lady, Bianca. We need to get a Polaroid with Bianca.
Absolutely.
Did you say something about a treasure?
On the 5th day of the 8th month, by 4.
Oh, it's not totally stained. We're on our way to watch Moana live action. We had the Pirates of the Caribbean. It wasn't even Pirates of the Caribbean, it was a show. And it was
Your emotional short.
it was so cramped, overcrowded, overstimulating, shouting, singing. The fireworks were not too bad. Of course, Megan doesn't like those though. So it was just bad, bad, bad. We had 2010's trivia that we thought we were prepared for. You know, just the whole last 3 days of the cruise, just practicing. And of course, none of the songs on our playlist. So we're pretty bummed out. Had ourselves like a good reset, a good... Worst seats of her life. Welcome home. It's like, what time?
It is 7:36. We did that fast.
We did, because we, like, 12 minutes-ish. We're on our way for some breakfast. Because what day is it, Megan?
Churro waffle day.
I eat churro waffles. This is the best day. Better sweet day of the cruise. But, have a great last full day. Oh, Mickey churro
Stop it.
waffles.
Don't like grumpy.
Welcome home. We've made it to the very front of the ship. She is beautiful. We're kind of like, it's our last full day on the cruise, and it's like kind of sad because like there's not great trivias, and like it's really packed.
The pools can't fit.
And yeah, so we like don't really know what to do. We try to play in the zone,
Eurozone.
then they're doing Dash's diaper, Jack's diaper run.
Dash?
No, it's
Jack's diaper dash.
Oh my gosh, what a mouthful. So they kicked us out. We will probably go draw BB-8. Hyper Lounge isn't open, or we would do that. So yeah, stay tuned to see what other fun stuff we have planned today. Time to talk about it. We won Pixar's trivia.
Of course we did. That's our trivia.
Well, that and sidekicks, I guess,
Yeah.
are our ones. But we did so good in Pixar trivia. I think the question that saved us is in
Yeah, it was.
Ratatouille, and I knew it was so quick. In Ratatouille, what other Pixar character shows up as a shadow? And it's Doug. And I knew that right away because I was like, I would know that. So fortunately, our friends didn't join us for that one, or they would be wearing Mickey medallions right now. But it is what it is. But, all right, stay tuned. All right, welcome home. Is it Groot? No, it's BB-8. Anyways, that's our queen, Bianca. That is our queen. But there is one to draw Groot we can also do. Anyways. Alright, welcome home. This is my BB-8. This is Megan's BB-8. Pretty proud of them. They did really
so
good. Mine is not. Mine is not. Please stop. Welcome home. We made it into the Hyper Lounge, right behind our girl Ahsoka. So that makes me happy. I got like a cloud ice cream drink, and Megan got a raspberry delicious too. It's a bold choice.
That's what I went with, right?
I don't freestyle just like Lauren. I freestyle like Katie.
Guys, smile. Alright, let's go.
Always is so good to see all of you. I am open and I am pleased to be welcoming you to Arlington. Yeah!
Right, Ola?
Work to make the dream work.
Some things never change.
Oh my god.
I know only one way to you. Perfect. Thank you.
I just wish I could figure this out.
Megan, are you mad at me? Are you mad at me?
No, why am I even mad at you?
Why are you diva walking away?
Because I'm trying to get to trivia. It's gonna be so freaking crowded.
I'm gonna eat while we're walking. A trivia after dinner, and it was ultimate Disney trivia. It was quite fun. We got 14 out of 20, but enough for us to win. So good for us. And then we did like wavelength, which is just like what's the one that we had to match? Majority minds, which is majority list from the last year. So we were in the finals, but we lost. It's okay. Because we thought they were younger than they are. It is what it Anyways, yeah, I have a cough and it's not going away, and I think it's just because it's not allergy. It's from the AC. Because I'm not sick. I'm not sick.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. So I guess I just have to record her more often. Anyways, we are playing shuffleboard. It is like midnight. I don't know.
This is our friend's subway station.
How do you know? Come home, our final door. Alright, welcome home. Last morning heading to Arendelle. Megan is walking around. Hold on, don't move. Like this. Spread them out.
Spread those puppies.
Alright, getting off the cruise. So sad. Oh my gosh, I didn't record breakfast at Arendelle. We had a great breakfast at Arendelle. We only had half our table mates. So it was really good. Alright, so now we're getting off. Just got off the break from lunch. How about one moment that stands out to you the most?
Okay. That is going to be our conversations in our room when we found out we were being...
I was literally going to say that. Oh my gosh. So those of you that do not know, I don't think we vlogged about this.
No, because he would have heard.
Right.
Good.
So our stateroom host, he didn't talk to us. Like we walked by and he smile and we'll smile and then he'll just laugh. And then we'll come back and we would complain about something and then miraculously it's done. And Mega's he didn't even roll up my cord. He would come back, the cord's rolled up. I talked about not having bags. There was bags. I talked about not having an extra roll of toilet paper. The next time we come back, the toilet paper's been redone and there's an extra roll. There's no need. The lamp. Hold on, there was something else. The pillows. The pillows, he was hiding them in the closet. I'm why would you put in the closet? I'm literally putting my bags there, and we know how I am with my stuff. And so the next time, he had them underneath the bed. And Megan, the second to last time he would have cleaned her room, complained because he turned on 2 of the lights on the bed, right? And Megan always had the left side on, but not the right side. And he turned on the right side. But she complained about it and shouted about it. The next day, the light was off. I kid you not, the light was off.
He was listening.
Also, that's not even it. Also, when the very first day, I was oh, where do we hang up our wet bathing suits?
Yeah.
And so we hanged it there, right? The next time, and then he put it out and he hung he put it out and I was man, the least he could do is hang them up. I had them in the sink. He hung up my bathing suit. He hung up my bathing suit.
It was crazy.
He was listening to us and Megan thought I was doing it to be funny. I did not do anything.
The first time I did think that you did something, the bathing suit one and the pillow one. I thought you did.
Why would I put the pillow on my backpack?
I don't know. I thought you moved them.
No, I
To the
didn't.
new location.
No.
I thought you were gaslighting me.
No. That is so...
insane.
Don't even know his name. So sorry.
No, it's Sanji. It's not.
Sanjo?
It's
Whatever.
yeah,
Sanjo. If
Sanjo.
you're watching this, you can probably hear... You're probably laughing.
Listening right now.
He is. I was looking in the room for, a bug. I'm not even joking.
Yeah.
You know, we turned on.
I got you.
Okay. So I literally, and we were gaslighting each other, but then the last night, you heard, that's too many things to
It's not a coincidence anymore.
and it's not a coincidence, and it was the next, we said something, the next time he came in the room, it got done.
Yeah.
Or one day he took forever to get it cleaned, and then we walked by, he's just to let you know, I am going to clean it,
yeah.
because it was, so he heard us complaining maybe, but we are on the end and he was nowhere. We walked in, he was nowhere. He wasn't in the hall, nothing. So he had to.
Yeah.
He has.
And
ears.
we would whisper.
We were whispering because we were scared he's gonna hear, and he still did it all.
We would whisper. The The only one I didn't whisper was the lamp one, because I was done at that point.
Yeah.
Everything else, we whispered.
Crazy. Anyways, that's the most standout moment. And we won 11 trivias.
Woo!
So yay to winning trivia and getting set up. Okay, bye.